Good afternoon, it's Sarah from Hills. You'll find me here today on Barton Road with this incredible property. We've got two terrace properties knocked through to complete one incredible home overlooking the scenic Bridgewater Canal. Let's go and take a look around inside. Now, the current owners have been here for around 30 years, and in that time they have then gained access to the neighbouring property and have knocked through to this incredible family home. Equally a brilliant investment. Let's go and take a look around inside. So you've got 4 fabulous reception rooms, kitchen dining space, a rear garden with the original York paving, 2 bathrooms, 2 cellars that mirror one another, and an energy performance rating of a B, which is absolutely incredible. Now, as I mentioned, we are over on Barton Road, which is literally just a short walk to the Trafford Centre, into Eccles Centre. Got fantastic local amenities surrounding yourselves here, including shops, parks, schools, short drive over into Monton and equally over into Urmston. Excellent connectivity with regards to your public transport links as well as local motorway links. So we've just been into the cellar. The second cellar is a mirror image, and now through to the open plan kitchen diner. It's beautiful and bright. Fitted appliances, all quality items, flooded with natural light through the doors and windows, and then a touch of convenience with the downstairs toilet. As I mentioned, the Indian stoned paved yard. You've got double and single gated access out onto the back. Access into the second cellar, and then into the third and fourth reception room. Bay fronted once again, this fabulous open plan space. As we head up to the first floor, the majority of the bedrooms here. There is also a loft conversion done to regulations, so this then gives you the 6 bed. Start at the front of what could be considered the master bedroom with the fitted wardrobes, floor to ceiling, perfect storage solution, and then on into bedroom 2. All of the rooms throughout this property are doubles. First shower room, and then a bathroom and the toilet just across the hall. Bedroom 3 overlooking the rear garden, and once again fitted wardrobes. Now serving the second half of the home is a spacious family bathroom, generous corner shower along with the tub, and for added convenience the addition of a separate toilet. Now into bedroom 4, beautiful views out the back here, and continuing down the front into bedroom 5, which once again is a double. And then you've got the beautiful views overlooking the Bridgewater Canal. Stunning walks taking you further afield into Worsley, Lee. Some nice pubs along the way to stop off for a drink. Lastly, now up into the loft room. This is an absolute incredible space. and a brilliant versatile room. So bedroom 6, done to regulations as I mentioned. Some would consider putting another bed in here, but obviously being mindful that access to this room is via the first. Flooded with natural light once again, with the fitted Velux and storage built in within the eaves. This is an incredible property, one of a kind. Located on Barton Road within Eccles, as I mentioned, close to excellent communities, fantastic transport links, and a perfect family home, but equally an incredible investment. Now, if you are interested in coming along and booking a viewing, then please do give the office a call on 0161 707 4900.